The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. So this is a magician. Let me see.
Tell me them to stop.
Stop there.
Right, take the camera, stop.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Stick a camera.
You don't mark it?
Nah.
Let's watch your cat.
Sure everybody see the camera.
All right. People with the other side. I'll see Facebook and Facebook. Yeah.
So I say, let's push it in anywhere you want.
Turn your head around so. You could go in the back there? All right. Yes, because this magic thing on them, I don't really trust them.
Everybody.
9 a bread for people.
Give somebody the camera and you shuffle it, man.
All right. Give somebody the camera and hold on, them here. Let me see if magic is really in truth.
No shuffle.
You sure you don't mark that cat?
Nah, man. Let's make sure you remember the cat, right? So my job is to find your cat.
True.
Alright? So you're going. Now you do just like that, right? Make sure you see your cat on the inside. If you see those anything, right? Just make sure you see. Before you disappear, just make sure you see your cat, right? The collar and the suit, just make sure you see your cat. See?
I don't mind.
What do you see? No. Now you make a double check, right? Make sure you see your cat. Make sure you see your cat. You see it? You sure you see it?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, so here we're gonna. Let's get the cat a random shuffle again. I'll take 2 random cats from the top, press it down, and tell me if any of that 2 is your cat. That is it?
No, yeah.
Nah, that's not it. That's it?
No, sir.
Nah, that's not it. Any of that 2 on the top?
Not yet.
Nah, so your cat is no enough, right? So we're done with that pack of cat. But just to make sure your cat is no enough, right? Give that a little shuffle. Let me make sure you do it. That's it?
No, sir.
Nah, that's not it. That's it?
No, sir.
Nah, that's not it. Any of these 2?
No, sir.
Nah, so he's no in this 4, right?
Truly.
But if I just sit right here and I snap and I give him one shake, watch carefully. Magic.
That is the card, but me not believe yet. Come back here. Cause me not believe in magic, you know.
Okay, so wait, come on.
Where you fucking go with the truth? That one, I lose.
You have a next one?
I mean,
Do a next one again. Hold the camera again. Let me want to do a next one again. If you do a next one, Facebook have to make you go viral, and you feed up on all them shows.
You're kind. You're kind.
touch any cat, touch any cat.
You want to see?
Just touch any cat, yeah, let's see.
Alright.
Alright, so you all the S, right? So you have the S of spades. You have the S of diamonds. You have the S of hearts. And you have the S of clubs, right? So now, put them in any other, like red, black, red, black, red, black. Let's put them in any other. Make sure the camera see, right? So that's the 4 bubblers, right?
You welcome outside falling in there.
So you do the order. Alright, so you have to remember the order.
Don't worry.
So now that's the 4 bugglers, so they're about to rob a bank, right? So now the first one went down, the second went down, the third one went down, the last one stand for watchman, right? So now that's the watchman. Now the first one went to the basement, the second went to the office, and the third one went to the roof, right? But the police come now, so all of them went inside, and the watchman came on top magically and called them back here. One by one.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! You don't understand? People,
Lose again.
people, all believe in magic. This is the real magician. I want to test your skills and ability. Your body. And the world have to know that youth. Do a thing again, man. Do a, your skill. How come you think people? I tell all the Grenada have more talent than blood. Yo, stop mind people business. Me a hold up that later, you know. Do a next thing again.
Take any cat, your choice, right?
You have a kind trick?
I mean,
I want the kind trick before I go to.
make sure everybody see the cat. Make sure everybody see.
Freddy, you see it? Alright, the camera is with you. Camera, you see? Alright.
So now, I will take that cat and I go just slide it anyway in the center, right? So here one, I'll try and pull out your cat on top by one snap. That's it.
Not yet.
Let's try again. That's it.
No, sir.
Now we'll have 2 cats go up the whole deck turn over and your cat is the only one who go stay face up by like a shake.
See that thing down here. What's
Mad. People that are real, yo, the talent sick. Mad.
I'll show one of my favorites, right?
Yeah, man, that is one of your favorite people. That's the real magic trickster. Kid Michelle playing the trickers? That's the real Daniel. That's the right man for you.
So, we have 4 cards right now. I'll show you the 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Just to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So now 4 cards now is the 4 queens, right? So now, let me show you. So we have the first queen, the second queen, and the third and the fourth queen, right? So now I'll make all of them turn into my favorite card now, just by one snap and a shake, right? So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. We'll turn all of them back into the queens by a snap and a shake. The first queen,
Dopey!
See that one? I don't lose it that one.
You get that one?
I get that one live. I don't lose it that one.
I
Don't lose it that one.
Give me the coin trick.
I don't get lose it that one.
People, let me see the coin trick before me go. Yo,
That one?
people, we Digicel, I open all see talent and culture. All see all support sports nation building and culture, Lato. All to thief. Support the youth and them.
proper kind. So let's scratch the coin. There's the coin right here. See, I'm go right. Scratch it one more time. Press it right back here. Let's come in. Let's tell me which one to feel the coin. Anybody? That one? You sure?
Yes, I.
That one? Very nice feeling, right? This one on my phone.
In your pocket.
No. Let me check on my arm first. Nah, what?
Mad. Where you from, youth?
I'm from River Salima, St. Patrick.
You have a bad talent, man. Where you learn this thing? You teach yourself. Yo, you're there on Facebook so the people could follow you because someday, yo, me real entertain. The entertainment, man, I only singing alone.
Yeah, man.
Lotto, you say support sports nation building and culture. Where you there, Lotto? Somebody tag Lotto, you know? Because we need them. Yo, no, that you to skill, man. Don't give us more, man. Yo, they go see it on the big show. Facebook link.
Trending blacks.
Trending blacks. Facebook, Instagram.
Instagram is trending one.
Trending one. Big up yourself, boy. I love the ability. Entertainment is entertainment. Big up the culture for Grenada, mad. Big up yourself, man.
Man. That not normal. That is not normal. Like, that's talent right there. That's talent. You see what I say? Me make sure me look at the video properly, you know, because me I try to see if the person switch no card or anything like that, you know. You see me? Yeah, I make sure I look at the video properly and carefully, and I'm going to be honest. I don't see where the person switch up any card. You see me? Right? More than one time, I see the person take out certain type of cards and somehow the cards them just switch up in them hands like that, just change into different cards. You see me? So some of the things what this person do, he have me convinced. And a real, this person have me convinced. You see me? Say those tricks, yeah, those tricks, they are magic to me. You see me? Because I can't explain what the person had done. You see me? I don't see where the person switch up any cards nor anything. So, you know, me I give it to him. Magic. That's magic. You see me? I say, yeah, me say that's magic. You understand? Him have me convinced. So, big him up. See me? If you listen to some of the things that have been said in the video, maybe you get an understanding as to where the video had been recorded. You see me? And you know, I heard when someone in the video said Grenada. You see me? I said, yeah, no. I want to big up that youth. I want to big him up. Anyway, the talent there, me Dancehall skilla love for sure the talent. You see me? I say, I want to big him up, man. Jano, them trick them are normal. You see me? I said to you, him have me convinced. You see? Anyways, you can let me know if you think this person really do some magic tricks or if you think the person don't do any magic tricks. And if you can explain how the person had done those things that he had done, you can let me know. You see me? But, you know, me Dancehall skilla, him have me convinced. I'm just telling you the truth. You see me? I say. Alright, so here's where I'm gonna leave it, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla, you know? Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.